How to see apps removed from home screen iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, swipe to find the app that you want to delete from here. For example, Podcasts. Press and hold that app. Here, select Remove App at the top. Then, tap on Remove from Home Screen. This will remove the app from the home screen but will keep the app in your app library. Now, keep swiping left till you reach the app library page. Here, the apps are placed in different groups accordingly. For example, entertainment, social and more. Go to the search bar and type in Podcasts. You can now find and open the Podcasts app from here. Following these steps, you can easily see apps removed from home screen iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.